I started realizing that as I was reading the Bible, I was reading in Hebrew and Greek and trying to find the roots of things and the marvels of these languages and telling this group of suburbanites. So I started retranslating the way it sounded to me in Hebrew or the way it sounded to me in Greek. They're both very different languages. But I just did it for my own, I wasn't doing it for anybody else, just to get a way to think through the language of my congregation, learn their language, and translate into their language what had been translated for me. And
so essentially the idiom of the street.
the idiom of the street, yeah, that's right.